We are down at VTEC Junkies at Tegiwa today in Stoke. Hopefully going to catch up with a load of people. We've not been here for 2 years, man. It's taken a while. Here there's going to be a couple of our friends about, so we will catch up with them while we're here. Maybe you'll see some in the video. We've got the drone, we've got the ground drone, we've got all of our cameras running, everybody's here, so it's going to be a banging day. Day at Tegiwa today, bumped into John Plains from westlowlife. Go subscribe to his channel, right?
Yeah, man, click subscribe, westlowlife, yeah? You get me?
Subscribe to this channel when you've gone and done that, or do it beforehand, I don't care which. But yeah, back in day at Tag. Drop down if you're ever in the area on once a month, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Shooting the Shift.